Hey there guys, are you one of those that goes like this before leaving the house? Well, it's time to stop that. So I'm going to be honest with you, I'm not one to usually use cologne. And well, that's all changed because Wet Shaving Products has sent me 2 of their solid colognes to try. I actually like putting this stuff on because it's not overpowering, and believe it or not, this stuff lasts quite a bit longer than pretty much any spray that I've ever tried. Both of these have the same base of jojoba oil and beeswax with their respective scent mixed into it. Now if you travel a lot, you're really gonna like solid cologne. Because it's in a 1 ounce tin and it's solid, TSA isn't gonna be able to take it from you, which means you can travel wherever you want to with it. And just like a lot of your mustache waxes and beard balms, you can just shove this down in your pocket and refresh whenever you need to. And it's really super simple to apply. All you have to do is take your finger when it's warmer and rub your finger around in it to get a little bit of the scent on your finger. Now if it doesn't come out of the tin easily just by rubbing your fingers in there, you may need to use the back of your thumb, just like you would any other mustache or beard balm. I like to rub it in my hands, rub it on my neck, and on my wrists as well. Now why do I apply it to my neck and my wrists? Well, simple, because that's what the directions tell me to do with applying it to your pulse points. Now WSP sent me 2 scents. The first one is Black Vetiver. The scent on this one is their take on a spicy vetiver. Now Black Vetiver smells like black pepper, and then it kind of goes into a woodsy scent and it tops it off with a vetiver scent. If you don't know what vetiver is, I looked it up and it's actually a grass that grows in kind of tropical climates, and I really like this scent. It's not super strong, however it still smells very good and definitely has kind of a manly scent. Now on to my favorite scent that they sent me, Tobacco Vanilla. This stuff smells like vanilla pipe tobacco to me. However, what they said that it is it's a tobacco absolute with hints of vanilla, cedar, and sandalwood, with a little hint of the black pepper. Because it has that nice vanilla pipe scent to it, I just really like this one, and I favored this one over the other one by quite a bit. However, I did make sure that I used the other one as well. Now you might be asking, how long does this last? Now I can say that I could definitely smell this for a good half a day. The nice thing about this being in an oil form is that it definitely takes a while for it to give that scent off, and then you don't get just a big shotgun blast of it in the beginning and it quickly wears off. This stuff definitely slowly gives off that scent, which I really liked as well. Alright, now that you guys know all of that, you might be wondering how much these are. These come in at about $29 each for the 1 ounce tin. Now to me that seems a little high, however I understand it when I start looking at some of the other colognes that are higher end colognes, and I would have to say that these smell pretty much better than anything that I've smelled off of the shelf. But honestly guys, I think that 1 ounce of this is going to last you quite a while and way longer than a spray bottle will, because you're not going to have to be applying it several times a day. So do I think that it's worth the $30 for a 1 ounce tin? Absolutely. If you're hesitant on which scent you should get, I highly suggest spending, I think it's like $5 or to $7 for a tester kit that gives you a little bit of a sample in liquid form of what each scent is going to smell like. So if you want to ditch that spray cologne and try out some solid cologne, hit up WSP's link down below. If you like this review, please give me a big thumbs up down below. Hit that subscribe button for more reviews just like this one every week. And hit that bell so that you know whenever I put out a new review. Also, let me know down below what cologne you're currently using. And until next time, you have a good one.